Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Journey, the part 2 of At the Airport. I'm so happy you're here to learn English with me today. In this lesson, we'll practice English at the airport and on the airplane. You'll learn simple words and phrases that travelers use in real life. So fasten your seatbelt. We're ready for takeoff. Let's begin our English journey together. Part 1. The story. On the airplane. Scene inside the airplane. Lisa and Tom are sitting next to each other. A flight attendant walks by.
Good afternoon. Welcome on board. May I see your boarding passes, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Your seats are 14A and 14B. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Excuse me, could you help me with my bag?
Of course, I'll put it in the overhead bin for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll take off in a few minutes. Please switch off your phones or turn them to airplane mode.
Got it. Airplane mode on.
I'm so excited. It's my first time flying.
Really? Don't worry. It's safe and fun.
Here's your snack and a drink. Would you like tea, coffee, or juice?
Juice, please.
Coffee for me, please.
Sure, here you go. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Oh, can I get a blanket too?
Of course, here's one for you.
Wow. This is comfortable.
Yes. I think I'll take a short nap.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. We may have some turbulence.
Okay. Understood.
Part 2. Vocabulary and expressions. Let's learn some useful airplane English words and phrases. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation. 1 boarding pass, a paper or digital ticket that lets you get on the plane. Example, show your boarding pass to the flight attendant. 2. Fasten seatbelt, to close and lock your seatbelt. Example, please fasten your seatbelt before takeoff. 3. Overhead bin, the storage area above your seat. Example, you can put your bag in the overhead bin. 4. Airplane mode, phone setting that turns off signals during flight. Example, please turn your phone to airplane mode. 5. Take off when the plane leaves the ground. Example, the plane will take off soon. 6. Turbulence, when the plane shakes a little during the flight. Example, please stay seated during turbulence. 7. Flight attendant, a person who helps passengers on the plane. Example, the flight attendant gave us juice and snacks. 8. Blanket, something soft to keep you warm. Example, can I have a blanket, please? Part 3. Practice section. Repeat after me. Now it's your turn to practice. Say each line after me. May I see your boarding pass, please? May I see your boarding pass, please? Please repeat after me. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. Could you help me with my bag? Could you help me with my bag? Turn your phone to airplane mode. Turn your phone to airplane mode. Would you like tea, coffee, or juice? Would you like tea, coffee, or juice? Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have a blanket, please? Please keep your seatbelt fastened. Please keep your seatbelt fastened. Great job! You're speaking like a real traveler. Part 4. Recap story, short version. Let's listen to a short version of the story again. Lisa and Tom are on the airplane. The flight attendant helps them find their seats. Tom asks for help with his bag. Lisa asks for juice and a blanket. They fasten their seatbelts and get ready for takeoff. The flight attendant reminds them to stay safe during turbulence. They relax and enjoy their flight. Part 5. Outro/motivation. You did an amazing job today. You learned many useful airplane English phrases. Great work. Now you can talk to a flight attendant, order a drink, and travel confidently in English. If you like this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Journey for more fun and simple lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep flying high with English. See you in the next lesson at the arrival in London.